Assalamu alaikum, this is Fatma Nadeem from grade 10th and I am going to give you a brief explanation about endocrine glands. First comes the endocrine system, which regulates the activities such as growth, reproduction, maintenance of glucose in the blood, and the reabsorption of water into the kidneys. There are 6 major glands that is present in the endocrine system: pituitary gland, which is present in the brain attached to hypothalamus; adrenal gland, which is present over the kidneys; pancreas, which is basically an ducted or exocrine gland; thyroid gland is present in the neck region; and parathyroid gland is present at the posterior side of the thyroid gland. Then comes the gonads, which is specified for girls and boys; ovaries, which is present in the girls; and testes, which is present in the boys only. It basically produces a hormone for the reproduction. A hormone is basically a specific messenger molecule synthesized and secreted by an endocrine gland. I have specified my presentation to 3 glands, that is adrenal gland, thyroid gland, and parathyroid gland. Let's move to the adrenal gland, which really consists of 2 parts, that is adrenal medulla, the inner part of the adrenal gland, and adrenal cortex, the outer part of the adrenal gland. Adrenal medulla releases an hormone called adrenaline, which is response to the stress condition, and if a person, it basically prepares our body to any emergency situation like anger, pain, or if a person feeling anxiety. Adrenal cortex releases many hormones known as corticosteroids, which also help to maintain or balance the amount of salts and water in the blood. Then comes the last but not the least glands of my presentation, that is parathyroid gland and thyroid gland. In this diagram, this is the front view of the thyroid gland, and this is the posterior view of the back view of the thyroid gland, which has 4 glands that is known as parathyroid gland. It is present, these 2 glands are present in the neck region below the larynx. Thyroid gland produces an hormone called thyroxine, which is produced in the presence of iodine, and if a person lacks iodine in its diet, then the thyroid gland enlarges, and that leads to a disorder known as goiter. It also releases another hormone called calcitonin, which decreases the level of calcium ions and promotes the absorption of calcium from blood into the bones. If there is a lack amount or there is an excessive thyroxine present in a human body, that leads to 2 types of condition, that is hyperthyroidism and hypothyroidism. Hyperthyroidism is the overproduction of thyroxine in the body, and that leads to the increase in heartbeat, energy, and there is a frequent sweating and shivering of hands. And hypothyroidism is the underproduction of thyroxine, and that leads to the lowering of the heartbeat, and there is a less amount of energy produced. Then comes the parathyroid gland that produces an hormone called known as parathormone. Parathormone is very similar to the calcitonin of the thyroid gland. It increases the level of calcium ions into the blood. And if a person face or has a deficiency of the parathormone in its body, then the body calcium or the blood calcium levels falls, and it leads to a condition or a disorder known as tetany, which affects the functioning of the muscles. And in this condition, the bones of a person becomes very thin or brittle. I hope you liked my presentation. Thank you for listening to me carefully.